Exactly 150. We have gained one sub. One more person has joined the freelancer finance movement, as I like
Yep.
to call it.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, 150 subs. We're gonna try to hit 200. So please like and subscribe. Just like off the bat, we should include this. Like
Like
and
and
subscribe. Help
subscribe.
us out.
But
All right,
today,
so we are here to discuss Tesla today because Tesla decided to do a 5-to-1 stock split. Besides
it's
what I
saying
just said.
Tesla announced a 5-for-1 stock split on Tuesday evening. It goes into effect at the close of trading on October 31st. Theoretically, the move could mean more smaller investors could afford the stock, but those investors are minuscule compared to major institutions. August 31st, Battery Day, is supposed to be September 22nd. So this is just it's a smart strategic move
So it's
on,
basically a month. Is it exactly like a month?
it's like a
No,
month.
it's
So
22 days before.
Tesla shares rose more than 6% in post-market trading. These are not people that are looking to buy and sell this tomorrow. These are people that are in it for the long haul.
There might be some sell-off. I think we discussed this on a phone call, but today I didn't care because I was waiting for some news and I was going to buy 10 shares. Buy 10 more shares. So as soon as you told me the news of this, I was like, all right, that's it. I'm just buying 10
Hi.
shares.
Yeah.
I'm not messing around with my Tesla. Okay, I need to just have my shares. I have a good amount. I don't want to discuss what, but I have a good amount now. so I think Tesla has a bright future ahead of itself. And yes, I feel like I overpaid, and it might dip. That's fine. Let it dip. Let me buy more. You have to remember what we keep discussing. If it goes down and you believe in the story, what do? You buy more.
It just makes the share price more attractive. It's something Apple's used
Yeah.
to great effect to keep their share price from being $3,000.
Well, no one looks at market cap, which we discussed, because the market cap's not going to change. It's a $250 billion company now, and it splits. And yes, it's $300 easier to buy a quote unquote a share.
It's easier to buy.
But honestly, like the market cap is the same, and if it pumps even higher past that, then now it's 300 or $350 billion market cap, which is getting pricey, right?
You could see a version of this where Tesla splits to 300 and ends up getting close to 1,000 just before the end of the year. And even if it doesn't happen, you could see that as being what the strategy is. Like that's
Well, I think one of the reasons they increased the share count even is just so people can now trade less shares. So as opposed to trading one $1,500 share, the people who do have to buy into the S&P, I think it's easier. The liquidity is more there now.
after the close. Tesla said it would split its stock 5-for-1. Stock splits have been out of favor for decades as investors recognize that 4 shares of a $25 stock are the same as 1 share of a $100 stock. Fractional share trading is increasingly common as well. But the new
Of
wave
course.
of investors on Robinhood and elsewhere may see cheaper stocks as better.
Well, what they're saying is BS. Apple has been splitting their thing for 20 years.
When they say it's been out of favor for decades, that's because there were no millennials decades ago. Okay. Millennials have a fundamentally different relationship with money. They also have way different memories of the last 20 years. Even, for example, when we were kids, a lot of the events that moved markets and caused crashes, we didn't have a phone pumping all the news to us all day, every day. If we didn't catch it on the
Right.
news or our parents didn't tell us about it, what happened in the markets and outside forces, we just weren't really aware of them. Now, millennials, they fundamentally have a different relationship with information.
Well,
So
I agree. The information now is just pumped 24/7 into your,
everywhere.
even if you don't want to know anything about Tesla, I'm sure it's in Twitter's feed and Facebook's feed, what's going on.
I love those
I
guys
mean,
that come in like, I'm going to tell you why Tesla stock's going to go down. That battery day, that's going to be crap. When they put
well,
that man on Mars, this stock is going down.
y-
You know?
yeah, the ridiculous thing is obviously Elon Musk has several companies at the same time, like generating
Yeah.
massive amounts
Yeah,
of
massive
money,
amounts of
and
money, and they'll
and
all.
he's going to Mars. He's building literally rocket ships are right now being tested to go to Mars.
I saw a tweet that said something like Elon Musk has more cars in space than Nikola has on planet Earth.
That's true. One,
Like
one.
there's literally he has more
There's a
cars
car in
in
space.
space than there are on the terrestrial planet. I'm like,
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
kind of puts it into perspective.
Yeah,